Okay, first five. All players back in. Sa lahat po ng may suot ng higaw, singsing, porceras, quintas, pakitanggal po ang lahat ng yan. Importante po ang bulitas. Ako na po magtatanggal ng bulitas. Mahalagang paalala po yan. Mula sa DOH. Ayan, stretching work. Onside Tegor versus SCM Rose Steel. First five. Jump ball. SCM team ball. Number 21. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ng onside Tegor ang bola. Number 17. Pass to number 12. Inamat. Foul. Contest by number 3. 44. First personal foul. First team foul. One shot to foul ground. Contact. 1 point. Hit down with number 44. Pass to number 21. Number 21 Iglesia. Number 72. Pass to number 24. No good ang tirang start. Nakuha ni number 21 Iglesia. Outside. Save ball.
Sabay ka na nakakain.
Hit down number 21. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Sumilaksa. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number... Number 03, pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to number 12. Jump shot for 2 points by number 12. Number 21, pass to number 11. Pass to number 05. Oh, man. Outside, onside check or deep ball. Rebound number 03, pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to number 73, back to number 17, pass to number outside, SCM team ball. Binababa ang bola ni number 05, Mercoleta. Sumalaksak, pinasa kay number 11, pass to number 44. Pass to number 32, jump shot, no good. Onside take of deep ball. Number 17, pinaba ng bola. Pass to number 20, Robbery violation. Number 44, pass to number 21, Iglesia. Iglesia, binaba ng bola. Binigay ka number 02, bola back to number 21, pass to number 05, jump shot. 2-3 by number 05, Mercoleta. Number 22, pass to number 17. Number 17, dribble the ball. Still, by number 21, pass to number 05, Mercoleta. Binigay ka number 44. Jump shot, no good. Natabi ni number 05, nawala ni number 44 ang bola. Pass to number 31. Iglesia, binigay ni number 11, pass to number 05 pang. 3 seconds, violation. Number 17. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 07. Number 07. There's the shooter. Jump shot. no good. Nawali number 11, SAN team, pass break to number 21, Nia for 2 points. By number 21, Iglesia. First pa lang po, ma'am. Number 12, Aniban. Jump shot, no good. Nawali number 44 ng SAN team, pass, fake pass. Angeles, pass to number 11. Black, by number 22, same ball. Number 44, Angeles, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin yun. Nakuha rin yung onside taker na bola. Pass to number 17. Number 17, Nilayang no good. Nakuha rin number 11 ng SDM team. Pass to number 02, Alvo. Pass to number 05. Pass to number 11, Dinera for 2 points. To steal by number 44, jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 13 seconds to score 5-9. In favor of SDM team. Number 12 for 2 points. Number 7, binababa na ang bola. Mercalita. Pass to number 4. Outside. Onside to the team ball. Number 03. Binababa na ang bola. Pass to number 22. It's still the number 02. Pass break to number 21. Iglesia for 2 points. Iglesia, takit po tayo. Tap in. Number 12, take shot, jump shot for 2 points. By number 12, Aniban. Number 05, give it the ball. Pass to number 21, Iglesia, jump shot. For 3! By number 21, Iglesia. 3 points. Number 17, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 07. Jump shot, no good. Wali number 11. Still by number 22. Number 22, pumalaksak. Nilayap, no good. Rebound number 12, inangat. For 2 points by number 12, Aniban. Number 21, Iglesia. Binaba ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Wali number 03, pass to number 22, pass to number 12, Aniban. Pass to number 17. Binigay ka number 07 ng bola. Jump shot, no good. Wali number 02 na SDM team, pass to number 24, Angeles. Pass to number 02, number 11, for 2 points by number 11. Number 17, pass to number 12. Number 17, Tipa. 10 to shoot! For number 12, Aniban. 5 to shoot, Aniban. Jump shot for 2 points by Aniban. Number 21, Iglesia. Pinabala ang bola. Pass to number 05, jump shot for 2 points. Number 17, Dika. Pinabala ang bola. Pass to number 12, Aniban, back to number 17. Pass to number 22, tinira sa ilalim, no good. Awali number 07 ng onside taker team, tinira, no good again. Number 12, for 2 points. Aniban, for 2 points. Number 21, Iglesia, pass to number 05, jump shot for 3 points. For number 05, Mercolita. Ayaw gumawa ni Aniban. Number 17, pass to number 03. Number 03, pass to number 12, Aniban. Back to number 03, back to number 7. Number 17, give the ball. Pass to number 12, Aniban. No good. Nakuha ni number 44, pass play to number 21, Iglesia. Iglesia, number 12, laksak. Sinasa ni number 11, Dinila, for 2 points. When number 11, number 03, pass to number 22. Yeah. Number 22, Bilbao bola. Pass to number 07. Number 07, nakipukol sa kalaban. Nakuha ni number 44, Angeles. Bilbao ng bola. Pass to number 05, Gregor Rita for 2 points. Number 73, pass to number 17. Last 1 minute. Number 11, pass to number 44, Angeles. Angeles. Oh, lovely violation. Online, onside check or team ball. Time out. Who's okay, inbound. Pass to number 03, back to number 17. Number 17, Diva, pass to number 12. Ibigay ka number 22 ang bola. Diva, Aniba, no good. Outside, same ball. Last 40 seconds. Jump shot in number 17, Diva, no good. Nakuha number 22, Pinio Real, no good again. Outside, SCM kick ball. Last 22 seconds. Score 15-24 in favor of SCM. Number 05, kabilang ang bola na kung number 02, pass to number 11. No good. The end of the first quarter. Ilan lang pala sila. Inbound, number 07, pass to number 03. Pass to number 22, Simon. Back to number 07. Foul. Who's foul? 06. Number 06. Pulse.
Para hindi pabili ng sapatos. Pagtrabahuan din yan.
First personal foul for Steve Pao. Number 17 jump shot, no good. Nakuha rin number 12 ng onside Tiger team, Anibal. Pass to number 03, nakakuha ng foul na number 13. Number 13, first personal foul, second team foul. Hina ng galing, ang hina ng galing. Basta? Okay, inbound. Number 22. Pass to number 12. Back to number 13, jump shot. No good. Only number 14 ng SCM team. Pass to number 06. Pass. Stereo to number 03. Pass to number 17 ng onside setter. Number 07, jump shot for 2 points. Leaving. Oh. Onside trigger team ball. Step on the line. Rebound. Yun, ako ng SCM team. Number 06. Pass to number 14. Number 14, takin tayo mamaya. Ako ng number 07 ng bola. Pass to number 22. SCM team boy. Boss, takin tayo boss. Number 14. Orange. Yun, takin po tayo. Rebound number 16. Pass to number 76, Fernandez. Pass to number 16. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 73 yung bola ng onside quarter team. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 12. Number 12, Maniban, back to number 17. Number 17, jump shot. No good. Lubang pa number 06. Sinaban ang bola ng SCM team. Pass to number 14. Jump shot ni Oren, no good. Number 22, rebound. Outside. SCM team ball. Substitution red.
Substitution red. Yan, data.
Inbound number 06, pass to number 14, Oren. Oren, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Rebound for number 07, pass to number 22, outside second team. Number 22, pass to number 12, Alibay. Foul. Who's foul? Number 16. Number 16, first personal foul, third team foul. Spread to by Rubas. Kapag single ka, mag-Rubas ka. Hindi ba, magkatagal ka sa bago. Rubas. Number 14, Orange, sumaksak, pero pinasa rin number 4-3. Tayo natin number 16, very good. Onside to the team ball. Inbound, number 27. Pass to number 03. Back to number 27. Number 27, ginawa na ang bola. Pass to number 07. Number 07. 5 to shoot! 3 to shoot! 2 to shoot! That's shot. Good. Good. Inbound number 06, pass to number 13. Number 14, Bilbana Tola. Back to number 06. Still, the number 03, pass to number 27. Number 27, marunong si number 30. Nearly up for 2 points by number 27. Oh, Barber. Team ball. Onside checker team ball. Bypass ko lang natin, bypass.
Substitution run. Substitution.
Number 27, pass to number 12, Aliban. Binigay ko number 07, touchdown going through. Nakuha pa rin yung number 07 na para lang outside for your team. Dispute para sa kanyang nakakuha. Foul! Malabot. Number 6. 16. Number 16, second personal foul. Ready to penalty. No good, that's one shot to pass round. No good again. Nakuha na ni number 03 ng SCM2, pass to number 14, Oren. Oren, here's the ball. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola, pinasa na number 03, jump shot. No good. Number 03 pa rin. Inangat for 2 points by number 03. Number 27. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 33, front shot. Number 22, Taiwan for 2 points. By number 22, Taiwan. Number 76, pass to number 12. Back to number 76, pass to number 14, Oren. Jump shot for 3 points. Number 27 going down. Related the service at 45 seconds in score 21-29. Napagpalit po ang SCM team. Number 07 jump shot for 2 points. By number 10, 07. Number 06, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Jump pass to number 03. Inangat, no good. Only number 22, pass to number 27. Ng onside second team. Number 27. Move the ball. Pass to number 27. Number 27, jump shot. For 3! For 2! For 2 lang pala, sorry. For 2 points. Sorry, Red. Mas maligaw matangkaan. Number 14 going down. Last 2 minutes and 48 seconds is for 25-29. Ganun pa rin ang SCMT. No good. Onside second team ball. Time out. Substitution. Sa taas ko. Rebound. Substitution lang pala. Number 03, pass to number 27. Pass break to number 22, Taiwan, dribble the ball. Pass to number 12, Aniban. Foul, contact. Who's the red? Number 76. Number 76. Penalty tayo na ito. First personal foul, penalty. No good. Nakuha pa, foul. Number 12. Number 12, Aniban. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 21, Iglesia. Pinabala ang bola. Jump shot. For 3 points by number 21, Iglesia. Number 03, pass to number 07. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27, read the shot, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 12, no open foul. Who's foul? Number 12. Number 12, first personal foul, penalty. Penalty again. 1 point mula sa team ng Palmer ni number 12 and Ethan. Last one shot to Palmer. One point to go. Number 12, Alonso. Binaba ng bola. Last one, hit! Oh! Save ball. Number 73.
Time out.
Timeout! Onside! Check! Number 76, pass. Still, pero nakuha pa rin ng SCM team ang bola ni number 12, pass to number 3, Juan Iglesia. Pinasa sa ilalim, ni number 02. Outside, table.
Stop time daw, free throw, stop
That's
time.
38 seconds. Number 02, inbound, pass to number 44, Angeles Johnson. Mildred. Rebound by number 03, pass to number 27. Number 27, outside. Same ball. Inbound number 27, pass to number 33, back to number 27. Last 20 seconds. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass break to number 44, number 02, layup, no good. Rebound by number 02, outside. Onside, second team ball. Last 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Number 27, pass to number 12. 14 points. 14 points. Counted by 4. Score 31-32 in favor pa rin ng SCM team. Halftime break na. Magbabalik agad ang slam time. STL Pinball.
Oo, wala akong target. Baba mo na lang.
Inbound number 24, pass to number 02.
Okay?
Number 02. Back to number 44. Back to number 02, pass to number 21, Iglesias. Back to number 02. Turn to shoot. 6 to shoot. Number 02, jump shot. For 2 points by number 02. Number 27, tinapan ang bola. Number 27, take the ball. Number 17, turn to shoot. Jump shot. Number 7, no good. And number 11 ang bola ng SCMPN. Pass fake to number 02 for 2 points. Violation! Yan ang tawag ng ating butihing referee. Inbound number 44, pass to number 02. Jump shot, no good! Nawali number 17, ang bola, pass to number 37. Number 07, jump shot, no good. Foul. Who's foul? Number 07. Dalili. Asan dalili? Number 07, foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 11, Ortega, here at Malawi Mojo, rebound by number 13, follow up again, number 12 for 2 points. Number 27, pass to number 33, number 33, pass to number 12, jump shot for 2 points. Aliban for 2 points. Number 21, going down. Number 21, jump shot for 2 points by number 31, Iglesias. Number 17, binababa na ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 73, back to number 17, Diva. Pass to number 27, Corpus. Time to shoot. Tinira, no good. Wala pa rin number 27 ang bola. Number 27, dribble the ball. Corpus. Oh, time out. Kaniton ni Matrix. Matrix naman eh. Yan lang may naglalaro eh. Okay, inbound. Number 27, pass to number 17, pass to number 27. Corpus, dribble the ball. Sinasakay number 27 sa gitna. Jump shot! No good. Nawali number 12, Aniban, inagat. Five outed! For number 12, Aniban. 0-3. Santawa, red.
Substitution! Substitution, red.
One shot to Padro. One point. Mula sa Dylan Padro ni Aniban, number 12. Number 21, kinabahan ang bola. Number 21, dribble the ball. Sobrang tapos, pinasa kay Angeles. Black. Oh, dapat ang mic. Inbound, number 44. Timeout. Substitution pala. Sorry. Substitution. Ano ba timeout ba? Timeout. Tama. Number 21, Silvana Bola. Iglesia, pass to number 11. Nakakuha ni number 7, number 22. Oh! Outside SEM team ball.
Ayaw nga. May charger. Ito, inalo ko nga. Nag-charge ka.
Oh! Nakuha ng outside silver team bola. Pass to number 27, Corpus. Corpus, chip the ball. Corpus, jump shot, number 4. Block by number 32. Ng SCRP, pass break to number 13, pass to number 11. At 21. Number 21, Iglesia. Binigay kay number 44, Angeles, jump shot. No good. Oh. Foul, red. Number 27. Number 44, pass to number 11. For 2 points. Number 11. Pinapang bola ni number 27, Corpus. Number 27, dribble the ball. Well to shoot. Jump shot. For 3 points. By number 27, Corpus. Number 21, Silvana Bola, Iglesia. Jump shot. No good. Wali number 44 Bola, Angeles. Jump shot. Ano? Second personal foul. Third. Number 44, Angeles, pass to number 21.
Bakit niya may problema? Time out, time out.
Okay. Timeout! Onside Trevor Pino. Change na po. Number 27, binaba na ang bola. Number 27, binibig na bola. Pass to number 12, pinigyan number 17, jump shot. No good. Awali number 12, Aliban. No good. Number 22, no good. Awala ni number 11 ng SCMP, pass to number 21, Iglesias, Sulactara, walang foul kay number 17. Ilan tayo? Uy! Penalty tayo. Number 7. First personal foul penalty. No good. Last one shot for Belgrade. Rebound to number 12, pass to number 27, onside Trevor Pino. Number 27, Corpus. Give the ball. Number 27, jump shot for 2 points. Last 55 seconds. The score 46-44 in favor of SCMP. Number 44, Angeles, jump shot. No good. Number 11 for 2 points by number 11. Number 27, pinababa na ang bola. Yeah, pinababa ni number 05, pass break to number 44, Angeles. Angeles, easy 2 points by number 44. Last 20 seconds. Number 17, back to number 07. Oh, outside, save ball. Last 10 seconds. Inbound number 27, passing number 07. 4-4. Last quarter na po tayo. Number 27, purple. Foul. Number 13. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 27, three for the ball. Jump shot. No good. Already number 14 ang bola. What a shot! No good. Nagawa pa rin ni number 02. Jump shot. No good. Follow up for 2 points by number 17. Number 12, Maliban. Oh! Outside! Inbound number 03, pass to number 21. Number 21, Iglesia. Iglesia, pass to number 06, Fernandez. Back to number 06, Fernandez again. Number 03, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 77. Pass to number 27. Corpus going down. Yung gate po natin naman lang na yan, bagong pintura lang po yan. Joke lang. Number 27, Corpus, pass to number 77. Jump shot for 3 points by number 07. Number 21. Pass to number 72, Algo. Parang ano? Still, nakuha rin number 03. Oh, still, nakuha rin number 02. Nakuha rin number 13, pass to number 02, Algo. Algo, tip the ball. Algo, pass to number 03. Bumomba for 2 points by number 03. Number 27. Binaba ng bola. Number 27, dribble the ball. Penalty shoot. Jump pass. And number 27. Pass to number 12. 2, 1. To shoot. Shot clock violation. Number 13, binaba na ang bola. Number 13, pass to number 06, back to number 13. Number 13 in the mat, no good. Only number 03 for 2 points by number 03. Hit out number 12, pass to number 27 for Pulse. Number 27, Corpus, pass to number 03. Number 03, pass to number 27. 6 to shoot! 6 to shoot! 6 to shoot! Jump shot, no good.
Nagulat tayo, pinukoy-tuloy.
Number 21, Iglesia for 2 points. Right. Number 27, pinapala ng bola, ibinigay kay number 07. Number 07, jump shot! No good. Nawala number 03, pass break to number 21. Nawala foul. Number 27, second goal. Second personal foul, first team foul. Ayan. Oh! Foul! Foul ref. Number 03, first personal foul. Second, team foul. Usually taniri mo. Ang gugulo eh. Umoy. Tawa ng tao, bahay yun eh, sa tulog na. No good, that's one shot to Patra. Kahit na. Kahit na. No good again. Oh! Foul! This is out.
Substitution.
Time out! Onside checker field. Number 22, binababa na ang bola. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Score 62-47 in favor of SCM team. Number 03, ready to shoot. He's still number 10, Alonso Lay up for 2 points.
Alonso Morning.
Number 07, going down. Pass to number 22. Number 22, pass to number 03, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni Alonso ang bola. Number 12, Alonso. Bumalaksak, pero jump shot, no good. Rebound pa rin ni Alonso. Pass to number 16, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 27, four-post pass break to number 22. Number 22, jump shot for 2 points. Number 05, Mercolita, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 12, pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Four-post. Here's dribble the ball. Fail to shoot. Number 27, jump shot, foul. Foul. Number 06, third personal foul, 13 foul is brought to you by Robas. Kapag single ka, mag-Robas ka. Sigurado magtatagal ka sa banyo. Robas. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltro. That's one shot to Paltro. At tubong mahaba, mataba. Yan ang PBC ng Pinas. Lagundi para sa babae Lagundi. 1 point. Number 12, Alonso. Pass to number 35, pass to number Steel. Nawali number 12 ang bola, Aniban. Aniban, pass to number 22, give it pass, jump shot. No good. Naiba rin Aniban ang bola. Foul. Number 12, Alonso. First personal foul, warning to penalty. Papadudod. Tumira si number 12 mula sa Pinang Pantro ang pumasok. Tumira ulit. One point again.
Substitution work.
Inbound number 16, pass to number 05, Mercolita. Mercolita, sumalaksak, pero binigay kay number 16, pass to number 44, Angeles. Back to number 15, pass to number 76, Fernandez! No good. Nakuha ni number 22 ang bola. Ikatagang pinaba. Number 22, pass to number 07. Number 07, pass to number 27. Horpus. Horpus. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number, still by number 22. Dinera for 2 points by number 22.
Ilang go accent naman, ilang go accent, ilang go.
Number 44, ano yung pinata? Ngayon po. Angeles, jump shot. No good. Still, the number 05, Merculita. Jump shot. Foul. Timeout, SCM team. Foul number 03. Oo, 03. Mula sa team of Pedro, that's one shot to Pedro. No good. Rebound by number 33, jump shot no good. Number 44, Angeles, pass to number 05, Mercolita, jump shot for 2 points. Rebound number 03, pass to number 27, Corpus. Binababa na ang bola. Number 27 has the ball. There's the shot. Pass to number 07, jump shot. No good. SCM team ball. Ronaldo, number 7.
Nabasa pa.
Number 21, Iglesia. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 05, Mergulita. Binigyan ng Angeles. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 03 ang bola. Pass to number 21, Iglesia. Iglesia, dribble the ball. Iglesia, patong. Number 21. Number 41, Angeles for 2 points. Rebound number 22, pass to number 27. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Score 69-55. Lamang pa rin ang SCM team. 10 to shoot. Number 27, Corpus, dribble the ball. 5 to shoot. Still, one number 11, pass break to number 05. Mergulita, binigay number 21, Iglesia, pass to number 44. Naparin ni number 44, Angeles. Binopa for 2 points by number 44, Angeles. Pass break kay number 12, Aliban, binigay kay number 07, jump shot no good. Rebound by number 03 ng SCM team. Pass to number 05. Number 05, binigay kay Angeles. Number 44, binigay kay number 12. Pass break kay number 15 by number 11 ng SCM team. Pass to number 03, pass to number 44. Jump shot for 3 points by Angeles, number 44. Last 1 minute. Mga kapisang, last 1 minute. Number 12, Anibal. Back to, pass to number 03. Jump shot. No good. Last 30 seconds. Jump shot again in number 03. No good. Rebound by number 12, Anibal for 2 points. Last 30 seconds. Number 44, pass to number 11. Binigay kay wala. Outside. Onside to their team ball. Inbound. Last. Remaining time last 23 seconds. Yan, jumper kay Banta, Happy Viewing. Si Banta, ang hirap talaga bantayan yan. Si Banta. Number 03, pass to number 12, Aliben. 10 seconds. Number 21, Iglesia. Wow! And the winner is SCM Team! Tingin tayo, number 15, Bulta. Ay, hindi pala.